So this is what we can see from the watchtower. There are a lot of deers coming in, drinking water.
जब हम लोग जिम कॉर्बेट की बात करते हैं तो वी थिंक ऑफ गोइंग टू द कोर जोन एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग द jungle and definitely looking forward to see the tiger. But sometimes I would say the luck also should be there with you, then only you can get to see. Because it's even if you explore whole day also you never get a chance. So I would always connect the luck and seeing tiger together. This is what my take. So far this was my experience altogether. In Jim Corbett, whenever you come and stay, it's not only one activity like just a safari, There are a lot more things to do. As I said earlier, we did stargazing. Then we have did another this activity. It's not in the hotel, but some other place we have chosen. So this zip lining, this rock climbing, net climbing, all this physical activity just to keep us fit, increase our endurance and all. And always keep us also busy doing something or the others and activities for the group as well. Our guests also when they come, they also really enjoy something new doing it. And friends, my journey or our journey, it will be incomplete without if we don't talk about the food. So we had like beautiful, scrumptious, yummy food in this hotel as well. Starting from pakoda to varieties of dal to a different type of mandwe ki roti. So this journey was even more interesting because it's not only the animals, the place, the activity, but even food also had a lot of varieties. And we really explored like from breakfast to lunch to midday snacks and all. I would really remember those beautiful hot food because we went during winter time. And that hot, nice curries and food and all. Wow. That also another memorable experience, I would say. I crave sometimes those food. We have been welcomed, or I would say like with this beautiful hailstorm. You know how hailstorm happens? Hailstorms are formed by a layer of water attaching and the freezing in a large cloud. A frozen droplet begins to fall from a cloud during the storm, but it is pushed back up in the cloud by strong updraft of wind. When the hailstorm is lifted, it hits liquid water droplets, and those droplets then freeze to the hailstorm, adding another layer to it. The hailstorm eventually falls into earth when it becomes too heavy to remain in the cloud, or when the updraft stops or slow down.
हमने बर्ड्स और मैमल के नाम पे कोशिश करना है अपने, जैसे बर्ड्स के नाम पे नीलतावा नेस्ट दे दिया।
हाँ।
और ऑटर के नाम पे दिया है ऑटर क्वार्टर। पॉर्क्यूपाइन के नाम पे दिया है पॉर्क्यूपाइन पैलेस।
ओके।
और मैमल जैसे गोरल घर। गोरल इज द माउंटेन गोट, इसके नाम पे हमने कॉटेज का नाम दिया है गोरल घर।
So, after a few days of fun-filled and enriching travel in the wilds of Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, it's time to head home. The trip has been a special journey for our travel formation team, as this time, despite the rough and unknown terrain, we had travelers of all ages with us. As you have seen, we traveled by foot, by raft, in jeep throughout the forest, rivers and mountains. Watching the wild animals in their own habitat has been a tremendous learning experience for the budding environmentalist kids, and we, Travel Formation, want them to grow up with the passion to love the environment and the ecology of that. I hope everyone in the group enjoyed their trip, and you all have enjoyed too watching the journey. We will come back again to the wild with some new friends. Until then, we, Travel Formation, want to thank you, Mr. Edward James Corbett, and thank you, Jim Corbett National Park, and all those who work here tirelessly every day to give the wild animals their rightful place. We will come back with new episodes of some other places soon. Stay safe, save the environment, and keep watching Travel Formation.